A big hello and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So, today I'm coming on to you with a quick video for this is for the Dark Verse, the book 4, the finisher. So, in my last video, if you've seen about this series, I had read The Emperor and I was contemplating that if I'll be going and reading the next book, because this is a series and this is not a standalone. You need to go through to really enjoy the plot of the book. You need to read all the books in sequence, honestly. Then only you will really enjoy reading it. This was again a little darker than the first three for me, and the last one I already read the first page and I feel and I know whose story it is about. So this is a non-spoiler review, so you don't have to worry that I'll spoil your fun. So the last book I know whose story it is, so that's one of the main reason I want to keep continuing this book. And we have 2 more books to go, Annihilator and The Syndicator, so stay tuned for that. So let me quickly tell you about the finisher. So we met Alpha in book 3. He's the main male character, and the female, her name is, she comes from a civilian. When I say civilian, not a part of the mafia. So she comes from she comes from the civilian family. Her name is so hard to pronounce. Her name is Zephyr, okay, and you call her Z. So this like the tropes for this is marriage of convenience, amnesia. The guy forgets a lot of the thing that has happened to him, and girl falls, like the girl is the all sunshine and he's very grumpy, so something like that. For me, this book, in the beginning I was like, okay, let's just try finishing to get to the next book, because I was excited to read the 5th book. But this book surprised me. Definitely it's not a 4-star for me, but I really enjoyed it. It's definitely a 4.8, and it was good, especially at the end, the twist. There was one person I was trying to figure out who she is, but really I was surprised who she was, and the end was a little, this is like, there is a happy end, but more about the happy end we will come to know after the 5th book. And same happens after the 6th book, which is the final book, and the same will happen for the 5th book also. The 6th book, The Syndicator, she sums up about everybody. So we will meet Morana, we'll meet Tristan, we'll meet the other 2, Dante, and everybody will meet. In this book also, the finisher, we meet them. We see Dante is, if you have seen read the previous book, they are having their wedding, so we'll meet all of them and the kids. So that was good to see. Especially my favorite character has always been Tristan, and the first 2 book has been my, like, that was the book that made me read the rest of the series. So those 2 books I loved, but the main plot about those missing kids and everything really is something that's keeping me like, I want to know who are these evil people, and I want to know how these mafia people are helping those kids, and how, like, the better world is being created, and the syndicate is getting eradicated. I'm so invested, so I'm not leaving these 2 books to I'm going to finish it. She writes so nicely. Honestly, the author, of course it has a lot of thrill and suspense, a little darker than normally tropes I read, but that's why she has given a full list of trigger warnings. So please read that before you continue reading the book. For me, honestly, I did read all the trigger warnings, and one of it does trigger me because I have a small kid as well, but a girl, so it's a little sad when I think about that. But then that's the reality. You in the book about the mafia time, what to do, that sometimes the world is like that. So I'm sure everything will end well. So far, again, highly recommend you to read the whole series. I also downloaded the new book of hers called Enigma. I might not read it after the series, or might read it, so I'm done with all the books from Renée X. There's one more book previous to this, maybe that also I'll download. But yeah, so far that's the review for me. And then a little bit more I'll tell you. So you will see, like, you know, you because it's very hard to not spoil the fun and not to say something that will spoil your fun. So this what I like about the character, about the girl in this book, is she's head over heels in love with him, all right, and she really really loves him. And the everything she tries to be with him, and she comes from a civilian side, and he is like very bulky. We met Alpha in the first book. He doesn't have one eye, and it's like typical Beauty and the Beast, you know. So Beauty tries her best, but the Beast later becomes the king. Really, he really changes. And other than the romance plot, there was a lot of spice. So I really I like spice, but just a little. Otherwise, it's too much for me. So I had to just turn out that part. I don't enjoy it that much in the story, but this does do have a lot of spice also. So if you're in for the spice part, it is spicy. If you're in for the thrill and the suspense and the whole, it is there. You're there for the angst, the possessive guy, and the girl is what do you say, the girl is like, you know, sunshine, and she's also strong. She does her best. She's gone through not a lot in life. She has lovely parents, so that's nice to see finally in a book, because past 4 books the girls have had a very dark life, and the 5th one, also the one I'm going to read next, it's also going to be the same. And we are still figuring out, we are still finding people from the first few books. In the first book we were looking for somebody, so we are still looking for that. So it's a continued series, as I said. I hope you enjoy reading it. And for me, Onyx Storm is something which I'll be reading on this side. My daughter is having her tests, and also I don't have enough time to read a lot, but I'm trying my best as much as I can. Read and stay hydrated, that's what I'll say, tell you guys. And then in personal life front, I'm just dealing with my old health issues. I have some cyst, endometriotic cyst in my like stomach, so I'm getting it treated. Mostly I'll be meeting the doctor soon, and hopefully by November I'll get taken out of the, you know, getting the cyst will be taken care of. So please keep me in your prayers, and take care. I've also had a very big haul from Erin Condren for my next year's planners. So if you're following me for planning content, be rest assured I'll be having a planning video soon. And if you have stayed all the way till here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It means a lot. If you watch and if you click and you like my video and you comment on it, more people watch it. And if more people watch it, then for sure I'll have more people, I'll earn a little bit more. And I'm so glad that this planning things that I bought is going to come from my YouTube. So I'm happy about that. Small win, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like and do subscribe. Stay blessed. Keep me in your prayers. Thank you.